Hey guys, Moto Miles here. Right now I'm working on a little something for the shower. So I'm doing a shelf. So the pump will be below the shower, or the actual shower. Well, I'm calling it the shower, but I mean the apparatus that the water comes through will be on the other side of the shower where you can't see it. And then the tank with the pump will be below it. The apparatus will be at the top, and then I'll have the nozzle at the top. So it's sort of out of the way to the side. And what I'm doing here is I am just making sort of rudimentary shelf. It doesn't really have to be some specific amazing amount of measurement. It just has to have enough clearance. I'm gonna put a barrier, a exhaust barrier on the side, so it doesn't interfere with the side of the shower wall. So it doesn't, not that it's going to melt or anything, so at least it doesn't have any heat against it. And then what I'm going to do with this system is I'm going to have the shower system, this right here, propped up on this doohickey, not this way, but opposed the other way. So I'm going to have it there in between. So it's, I know it looks crazy now, but trust me, it'll make sense. Yeah, so I have my power station right now, and that is pulled in to the lights right now. So the power station right now, it's not cleaned up. I just have it here. It's running everything right now. It's running the lights, it's running the vent, it's running the TV setup, the fridge over there, the security system, and if I needed it to plug in a heater or AC, it'd be able to do that as well. I'm gonna have the shower is gonna be on a more than likely it's gonna be on a DC setting for that. So it'll all come together at one point. But right now it's just trying to be efficient with the space while I have it. All right, guys, working on this section here. I still haven't really got these screwed in the way I want to, and this back area I need to put in a panel. I also have a gap panel here that I'm gonna run along the top. So I haven't really done that yet because it's not a priority. Right now I'm just trying to figure out how to get this configured, but this is gonna be the basic setup here, and it's just gonna be pitched right there. And I like the hinges. Oh, my light went off. It's a little motion thing. So that's how I have that there. But you'll see it when I have it framed. I'll have I'll stand this edge up, I'll have it. And then I have a heat resistant barrier. So if it's get vented here, this doesn't melt, or it doesn't, whatever, doesn't interfere with that and to degrade it. So guys, as you can see, a lot goes into this. It's still a work in progress. I'll let you know what happens next. I'm gonna be working on the roof because I have to put the rubber seal on the roof here so I don't have any water damage. I'm not gonna put my goof rings in here to fix this wonky light work I did there until I get this this upper roof area, till I get that sort of sorted out, make sure it's all sealed. I put some quick seal on the top to make sure we don't have anything around the vent, but I want to make sure the whole circumference of the truck is covered on the top in the event we get rain. And also it's going to deflect the solar heat from it to keep it keep this area cool in the summer, so I can have the solar panels on the top, I can draw power, and I'm not baking in here. Anyway, yep, it's all a work in progress. Got these knobs painted black because I don't know why you would put yellow on a stove. And that setup is not permanent. I'm just running wires and see what's going to pass to be where. So I'm not going to have a power strip on my stove. But like I said, I'll be letting you guys see what I do as it goes on. And listen, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. God bless.